Now see students, question number 2 of this exercise. Find here the all sums is given for subtraction. Okay, in question number 1 we find the sums. Here we find the difference between two rational numbers. So see, first one is what? 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. So you just see here 24 and 36 not the same, right? So need to find its LCM. Why? Because we want denominator same in both rational numbers, right? So when we find the LCM of 24 and 72, you will, sorry, 24 and 36, you will get 72. Okay, so see, first upon we write 7 upon 24 as it is, and by which number we multiply 24, then we will get 72 our LCM. So 2, 24 3s are 72. So multiply 3 in numerator, in denominator. Okay, and after that, see here 36 is there. So by which number we multiply 36 to get a 72? So 36 ones are 36 and 36 twos are 72, right? So we also multiply here 17 multiply 2, right students? So see, now next step is what? Our next step is 7 3s are 21 upon 72 minus 72s are 34 upon 72, right? So denominator are same, so we write here 21 minus 34 upon 72, right? So one number is positive, one number is negative, so subtract smaller number from greater number. So 34 minus 21, 34 minus 21, which is 13. Okay, now see which number is greater, 34, and 34 is negative, so we put minus signs. So minus 13 upon 72 is our answer. Okay students, understood? See second number, 5 upon 63 minus 6 upon 21. Okay, so see here 63 and 21, we have to find its LCM to make denominator same in both rational numbers. Okay, so when you find its LCM, you will get a 63. Okay, why? See, 21 ones are 21 and 21 threes are 63. Okay, this is the shortcut. Now see, 63 is its LCM, right now. So first upon we write 5 upon 63 as it is. Now see, by which number we multiply 63 to get 63? Of course 1. So we multiply 1 in numerator and denominator, minus signs, and 6 upon 21 we write first as it is, and 21 multiply which number to get 63? So 3. So we also multiply 3 in numerator. Understood? Now see, 5 ones are 5 upon 63 minus 6 3s are 18 upon 63. Okay, denominator are same in both rational numbers. So see, we write here numerator 5 minus 18 upon 63. Okay, so see, 5 minus multiply minus, which is plus 18 upon 63, right? So 18 plus 5 is equal to 23 upon 63. Okay students, understood? Now see third number, minus 6 upon 13 minus 7 upon 15. Okay, so see here 13 is a prime number, right? So we just multiply 13 with 15 to get its LCM 195. Okay, so first upon we write minus 6 upon 13 as it is, and 13 multiply which number? So of course 15. Okay, so 13 multiply 15, which is 195. So we multiply 15 here also. So minus 6 upon 15, which is minus 90. Put minus sign as it is. Now see, 13 sevens are, why we write here 13? Because see, 15 is there in our denominator. So 15 multiply 13 is equal to 195. So we multiply 13 here also. So minus 7 multiply 13 is equal to 90, minus 91. Okay, so minus 91 upon 195. So here minus multiply minus, it will change into positive, right? So minus 19 plus minus 91 upon 195, right? One number is negative, one number is positive, so subtract smaller number from greater number, right? So 91 minus 90 is equal to 1. Okay, 1 upon 195. And C, greater number is what? 91. It is positive. So this is our answer. Okay, understood? See students, fourth and fifth same method. So you just do in your HW. Try it by yourself. Okay. Now see students, question number 3. Okay. This one is very simple. Find the product. You have to find product of this given rational numbers. Okay. So first one is what? 9 upon 2 multiply minus 7 upon 4. So it is very easy. What you have to do? See, question number 1 is here. Wait a minute. See, 9 upon 2 multiply minus 7 upon 4. So here we want to multiply, we want to find its product. Na? So very easy. See, first upon we write numerator. So which is numerators in 9 upon 2? 9. Okay. Now put multiply signs, and here which number is in numerator? Minus 7. Okay. And see, in denominator, in first rational number there is a 2, and in second rational number there is a 4. Okay, so first upon we write here like this way, and after that next step is what? You just multiply 9 sevens are, so 9 sevens are 63, and 9 positive, 7 negative, so plus multiply minus, which is minus. Okay, and in denominator 2 fours are 8, right? So minus 16 upon 8 is our answer. Okay, and here if you want to find it, it means mixed fraction. Sorry, if you want to find these rational numbers into mixed fraction, you can find. Okay, now see question number 2. 3 upon 10 multiply minus 9. So here in numerator 3 multiply here minus 9. Okay, and the denominator is a 10, right? So 9 3s are 27, plus multiply minus is equal to minus, so minus 27 upon 10. This is our answer. Okay, and if you want to find it into mixed fraction, you can. How? See, first upon put minus signs, and see 10 is it is in denominator. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30. 30 is greater than 27, so we take a 2s are 20, sorry, 10 twos are 20, right? And after that which number we put here? 7. Okay, so see, 10 twos are 20 plus 7 27 minus 27. Okay, आ गया आंसर. अगर आप इतना लिखते हो, if you want to write this, okay, this answer is also correct. And if you want to convert it into mixed fraction, you can. आपको अगर mixed fraction में convert करना है तो आप कर सकते हो. थर्ड नंबर, minus 6 upon 5 multiply 9 upon 11, right? So same way we write we write numerator as it is, minus 6 multiply 9 upon denominator 5 multiply 11. So 6 9s are 54, and minus multiply 9 plus is equal to minus 54, right? And 5 multiply 11, 5 11s are 55, right? So our answer is minus 54 upon 55. Clear students? See, fourth number, 3 upon 7 multiply minus 2 upon 5. Correct? So first we write numerator 3 into minus 2 upon 7 into 5. So 3 2s are 6 minus 6, and 7 5s are 35. So this is our answer. Okay, understood? Fifth number, 3 upon 11 into 2 upon 5. So 3 into 2, this is numerator, and 11 multiply 5, denominator. So 3 2s are 6, and 11 5s are 55. 6 upon 55, this is our answer. Sixth number, 3 upon minus 5 into minus 5 upon 3. So it is very easy. So first upon we write numerator as it is, and after that denominator of both rational numbers. So minus 5 into 3. So 3 in 3 is common numerator denominator. Simply cut it. Okay, 3 ones are 3. Same way minus 5 also reduce by this way, because it is common in numerator and denominator. So which number is remaining? 1, right? So 1 is our final answer. Okay students, understood? Now see question number 4, find the value of. So here see all the sums are given of division method. Okay, division method. So it is also very easy. See, first one is what? Minus 4 divided 2 upon 3. Okay, so what we do? First upon we write minus 4, and after that instead of a divide we put multiply sign, and then we find the reciprocal of next rational numbers. So 2 upon 3. So what is the reciprocal of 2 upon 3? So very simple, we just change its position. We take a numerator as a denominator and we take a denominator as a numerator. ओके, हमें क्या करनी है, उसकी पोजीशन जो है वो चेंज करनी है. ओके, न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर में लेके जाना है और डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर में. मीन्स वी राइट हियर 3 upon 2. Okay, understood? So in numerator minus 4 multiply 3 and denominator 2. So see 2 2s are 4, कट हो जाएगा. So minus 2 multiply 3, which is minus 6 is our answer. Okay students. Next number, minus 3 upon 5 divided 2. So minus 3 upon 5, and after that we put multiply signs. Okay, and see 2 upon, no any number is here, so we suppose what? 1, right? So the reciprocal of 2 is equal to 1 upon 2, right? So see, minus 3 1s are minus 3 and 5 2s are 10. So minus 3 upon 10 is our answer. Okay students, see question number 3, minus 4 upon 5 divide minus 3 upon 1, right? So first we write minus 4 upon 5 as it is and put multiply sign instead of divide, and find the reciprocal of minus 3. So it is minus 1 upon 3. Okay, now see, we just multiply numerator. So minus 4 multiply minus 1 is equal to positive 4, and 5 multiply 3 is equal to 15. So 4 upon 15 is our answer. Clear students, understood? Fourth one, minus 3 upon 8 divide minus 1 upon 8 divide 3 upon 4. So first we write minus 1 upon 8 as it is and put multiply signs. So divide 3 upon 4. So we write here 4 upon 3. It's a reciprocal. Correct? Understood? Now see here we can cut it. 4 to the 8, right? So which number is remaining in numerator? Minus 1, right? And denominator 2 3s are 6. Okay, so minus 1 upon 6 is our answer. Clear students? See fifth number, minus 2 upon 13 divide 1 upon 7. So minus 2 upon 13 multiply 7 upon 1. Why? Here we change divide sense, means instead of divide we write multiply, and after that we have to write reciprocal of this next number. So 1 upon 7. So reciprocal of 1 upon 7 is equal to what? 7 upon 1, right? Now see, we just multiply minus 2 with 7. So minus 14 and 13 ones are 13. Okay, so see students, here you also write this number, this answers minus 14 upon 13. Okay, but if you want to find it, if you convert it into mixed fraction you can, right? Why? Because see, we can put here first upon minus signs and denominator as it is. The 13 ones are 13 plus 1 14. Okay, so 14 upon minus 14 upon 13. Okay, understood? Now see question number 6 and 7, same method, so you just do in your HW. Okay, just try. Okay, you will solve it. Okay, now see what is in your HW. You have to solve all the today's task, today's work. Okay, in your notebook and practice it oftenly for our unit exam. Okay students, understood? Thank you. Have a nice day.